everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Sarah Balo. I work with Megwa Veterinary Drug Shop. Megwa Drug Shop is found in Lira City here, along on Wall Road in Tipupasho House. You're going down to Blue Valley. Tipupasho House is on your right as you're from Pascal. Well, Megwa Animal Drug Shop has varieties of products. We have poultry products, we have injectables for animals, we have acaricides, we have dewormers, and a lot of things that I'll be bringing here in this channel. Well, if you're still new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Megwa Animal Drug Shop deals with a lot of products. We have drugs, outfits, have farm equipments, have a lot of things. We have a lot of things, activities we do. We do the vaccinations, we go to the field, we go and give treatments, we do farmer to farmer training. We also have the trainings that running on QFM. We also have the feeds. If you're a farmer, Megwa is the best place for you because like here we have the dewormers. We have the dewormers that they work through tapeworms, landworms, and I'll be taking you through them one by one. To the poultry section, we have the poultry powders. We have the chick starters. This is for the chicks that have been hyped. We have warmers, the birds. We have the boosters, like this is the broiler boosters. Those who are cooking. Please don't forget to subscribe to be notified every day on our posts on poultry and everything. About the products, about the diseases we shall be talking about. I'll be taking you through our drugs, their uses, their side effects, one by one. Bye.
And wait. If you're still new to this channel, please consider subscribing for more contents that we are going to be adding on this channel. And remember, we are having our social media handles. You can check us on Facebook, Instagram, go to TikTok, you'll get us there. We also have our WhatsApp number. You check the description down here, you'll get it. Thank you.